Every one of these cars over time, with probably a 2-year period, will all sell out. The first car is a 1970 Dodge Challenger. It's available in gold. There's 2 liveries of it. It's gold, and I think the other one is a teal. Okay, I don't have it here right now. But again, now this is Thunderjet. Some of these are Thunderjets, and some of them are Extraction. This is Thunderjet, okay? And this is the Dodge Challenger, okay? There's 2 liveries of each car. The second one is Extraction, and this is the Dodge 2012 Dodge Challenger. But this is Extraction, and there are 2 colors. You get the silver with the black and the orange with the, again, 2 beautiful colors. Now, of these 2 cars, I like this one the best because I love the silver and the black, okay? That is a very beautiful scheme, okay? And same thing with this one. This one's silver, black, similar. They've copied. Matter of fact, it is an orange. It's similar to this one down here. But that being said, okay. Now we have the 1970 65 Ford GT. This is what Ford raced at the Le Mans, and it comes in 2 colors. And these are Thunderjets again. This is a Thunderjet, silver and blue. Okay, silver and blue. And these are Extraction. I mean, these are Thunderjet chassis. And that is the 3rd car of the series of 6, okay? Now, the next car is the Ford GT, but this is the 2005 version, same color scheme, okay? And these are the 2005 Ford GTs. Really nice looking. And these are Extraction. See, the new GT4, the 2005 is for the Extraction chassis, okay? And these are Thunderjet GT40s, because these are the ones that came out back in the 1970s or 60s also. And then we have my favorite. This is my favorite 2 cars of the whole series, okay? And that is the 1969 Dodge Charger and the 221 Dodge, or 69 Dodge Charger. And that comes in a silver, a bronze with a black roof, and a red or a purple, no, that's not orange, kind of an orangish red with a black roof. And so these are my favorite of the whole assortment. This would be my number 1 car, but I'll go into that later. And that is the 5th car in the series, SC400. And then the last car, same car, but 2021, because this is a brand new car, because this is the same as the police car. This is the Hellcat, Red Eye Hellcat 2021 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat. And that comes same way. They got a little bit different. They didn't do the same color scheme. Now, why didn't they do they should have done the exact same color scheme as these, but in these 2 cars. I like this one, though, the best out of that one. And these are kind of a pretty cool car. And these are the 2021 Dodge Charger. You got Dodge Charger, Ford GT, old or new, old. You have the Challenger, old and new, or old and new. And they're all available at ProTinkerToys.com. SC400, okay? Now, of my car that's my favorite, I would have to pick this one as my favorite. And then I would have to pick this one. Then I like this one. I like the blues. Well, I don't know. I like this one here. Well, I like that one better. I'm going to put that one over here. Yeah, I'll put that here. And we're going to put these. That's my ranking of the cars. This is my favorite. I just love the dirty bronze. And then you have the orange, red, and then I like these silver and black, and then the blue GT40s, and then the silver GT40, and then the regular, the 2000 or the 65 Ford GT40. So this would be my sequence of SC400, okay? And they're either extraction or they're Thunderjets. This is a Thunderjet chassis right here. That's a Thunderjet chassis. It's similar to the original Thunderjet chassis, but they call it Thunderjet Ultra G because it has a magnet in the chassis, which is normally right here, but we take it out because we like to run them without the magnet. And they have the extraction, which has the magnet right here. And these are ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. All these cars are available on our website at ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget, we are a small mom and pop store. We make lots of mistakes because I'm over 65. Well, no, so I'll be 65 in June. And so I'm losing a lot of my gray cells. And those are what you call things in your brain. And so, but we want to try to make your purchase as happy as we can. And we appreciate everybody that understands that I do have 2 millennial sons that are like mental midgets, okay? And but we are having fun at it. We appreciate you for shopping at ProTinkerToys.com.